Hi guys, Frankie Tech here, and this is my exclusive first look of the OnePlus. No, just kidding guys. Just a joke here. And guess what guys, the OnePlus NORD is launching tonight, but I had a chance to get a hands-on of its cousin phone, the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. And this phone, guys, hands down, is the closest thing to the OnePlus NORD that I will experience right now. Look at these tiny bezels and look at this gorgeous display. Now I do love though this Oppo Reno 4 Pro better because it's got that single punch hole, but let me show you guys here about this phone. Why is this so similar? Why do I call this the cousin of the OnePlus NORD? Look at those specs. Snapdragon 765. We got this gorgeous display running ColorOS version 7.2, Android 10 on board, and that single punch hole though, that is one thing I wish I would have seen on the OnePlus NORD. That is not something that I like. So I really love the look here of this Oppo Reno 4 Pro. But showing you guys also here the display settings. One thing the OnePlus NORD will have similar to this phone is 90 Hertz. And there you see it now, buttery smooth 90 Hertz refresh rate on this phone. So beyond that, similar battery capacity is around 4,160 milliamperes. And you see here, no headphone jack on this phone as well. But doing the classic Frankie Tech camera shot, anytime, anywhere, baby. And let's do it quickly here. Fast shutter speed here on the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. I really wanted to review this phone, but I'm waiting on a number of other ones. But shout out to my man Lampo for letting me do a quick hands-on here of this Oppo Reno 4 Pro, the OnePlus NORD cousin. Oh gosh, all these phones and all these names. But look at this gorgeous industrial design. You know, BBK family of phones, they're making terrific phones right now. And I think if the OnePlus NORD is anything like this Oppo Reno 4 Pro, I think it's going to be a very successful release for OnePlus. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. And this is Frankie Tech signing off.